Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the basics, a Google account and browser. First, sign in and open Google Docs. Click the plus new or the blank template to create a document. If you prefer a head start, choose a template that matches your goal. Once created, give it a clear title at the top so autosave organizes it. Make sure language and page settings match your audience, then enable offline if you might work without internet. Now you're ready to start writing. You'll draft smarter by structuring before you expand. Start with a brief outline and apply heading styles to each section so the outline panel can guide you. Then, flesh out paragraphs and use voice typing or the research tool for quick facts. These speed up creation and reduce manual lookups. Make sure to insert a table of contents if the doc is long and add comments for questions or edits. Once done, review version history and name important. You finish by polishing and distributing. Run spelling and grammar checks, apply consistent styles, and use Explore to add sources or quick citations. When ready to share, click Share and pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor permissions. Use link restrictions to control access. Export copies as PDF or Word, or publish to the web for public access. If collaborators report missing content or errors, check version history to restore earlier text. That's the key troubleshooting step when edits go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.